What's going on, guys? Me mighty bitches. Just got back from Walmart. Got a new keyboard. Gonna unbox it. Buddy Skyler here, the one who's normally wearing that shiesty.
Don't show me.
Is in the card?
We
in the
try.
car? No, just do it. All right. Keyboard unboxing. 3, 2, 1. This thing looks fire. Cannot kizzy with you. So, come up here to the top of the box. Get the braided cable. Nothing too fancy. Looks nice though. Flip it open. You got your keyboard, and then you got this little manual that it comes with. Nothing too special. Let's open this sucker up. It's a HyperX, so pretty decent quality. Honestly, don't know what it sounds like. All right, here we go. That's what it looks like. That sounds pretty good. Listen to that, guys. On the back, we got 3 levels of height. Second, right here, and then a third. Yeah, the keys are turquoise. They sound pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. They sound like brown switches. But yeah, I'm gonna post some gameplay with it when I get home. And thanks for watching the video. See you guys next time.